So this 2017 Outback, I'm gonna show you guys how to remove and reinstall the driver side door panel. First things first, there's two clips. There's one here and one here. You take a flathead, a pick, there's a little cover. You pull this cover out of the way. There's a screw that goes in there, and this is the type of screw it is. Take your Phillips right here, pull this out. There's another one right here, same deal. Pull the cover out of the way. There's one more screw in there. That screw needs to come out. Once you remove these two screws, this door panel, you're gonna have to get a panel popper tool, clip remover, and get it underneath here somewhere and give it a little bit of room to get your fingers in there. Once you get your fingers in there, you can pop the door panel, and then once it's all loose, lift up and then pull out. And then you got to disconnect your two cables here. And this door panel will hang. You got to also unplug these. Yeah, this is the hard part, is unplugging these guys. You might have to get a pick. You got a buddy to help you hold the door panel. There's one more. Let me turn this door panel around a little bit. Get this bottom. I don't know why Subaru did this, but instead of putting the release tab on the outside here, they put it on the inside. So there it goes. And don't forget, you got these plugs that go down here to the light. So this guy's out. Put that over to the side. So that's how you remove a door panel on a 2015 Outback. Since we got the door panel out, I'm going to show you guys how to also remove and replace the mirror, the outside mirror at least.